house?
A square house.
Okay, listen. I live in a square house, in a square house, in a square house, with a triangle roof, with a triangle roof, with a triangle roof, and a circle in the sky, and a circle in the sky. There's a knock, knock, knock on a rectangle door, on a rectangle door, but there's still some more. Are you ready?
Yes.
I live in a square house, in a square house, in a square house, with a triangle roof, with a triangle roof, with a triangle roof, and a circle in the sky, and a circle in the sky. There's a knock, knock, knock on a rectangle door, on a rectangle door, but there's still some more. I live in a square house, in a square house, in a square house, with a triangle roof, with a triangle roof, a triangle roof, and a circle in the sky, and a circle in the sky. And you continue on until all the children put their different colored houses on the board. Enjoy. Bye.